Welcome to our guide on fixing matchmaking issues in Counter-Strike 2. Are you having trouble connecting to games? You're not alone. Let's explore some common reasons why you might be facing matchmaking failures, including server issues and account restrictions. First, ensure that the game servers are operational. There are numerous online resources to check server status and recent game updates. Next, let's adjust your network settings. A wired connection often provides better stability than Wi-Fi. You may also want to verify your game files. Corrupted files can lead to matchmaking failures. Use the Steam client to do this easily. Changing your matchmaking region might improve your gaming experience. Sometimes, switching to a different region helps find games quicker. Make sure you're using the right matchmaking mode that suits your skill level. This ensures a fair and balanced match. Don't forget the classic solution: restart Steam as well as your gaming device. Often, this can clear up many connectivity issues. Check community forums like Reddit and Steam discussions. You'll often find useful solutions from fellow players experiencing the same problems. And there you have it. By following these tips, you're on your way to a smoother matchmaking experience in Counter-Strike 2. Happy gaming!